Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to make your own sound in TikTok. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel with notification on to get notified for future videos, because we post content like this. So let's get on with today's video. So open TikTok. So basically, to create your own sound, you need to upload a video. So that video has to be a copyright free video. So like if your video has Justin Bieber's music in it, then the sound is gonna say the music is of Justin Bieber, which is used in this video. So if you want your own sound on TikTok, so you literally have to upload a video which is copyright free. So let me show you guys. So I'm gonna upload a video over here. So this is my video, let me upload it. So this is a copyright free video over here. Let me upload it real quick. Post now. So as you guys can see, at the bottom right corner there's a spinning wheel. Click on the spinning wheel over here. As you guys can see, I can now add this sound to my favorites as well, or I can change the name of the sound. As you guys can see over here, let me enter a sound over here. I'm gonna name this sound hello. Press on save, and then it's saved. As you guys can see, this sound is now named hello. So basically, you need to post a video, and the sound used by the video is gonna be the sound. So that's how you make your own sound on TikToks. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video I should make next. So I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.